So quick steps are a section that we've got here and this allows us to create a sequence of tasks just by one click. So perhaps where you're marking an email as read, you then flag it. You then perhaps want to file it to a particular folder. You've kind of got 3 clicks to be able to do that. Now with quick steps, we can do that kind of quickly and easily off the back of it. So and to show you to create a quick step, we can do this kind of straight from here. So if I go to create new, and I want to create a quick step, so and perhaps I might want to do flag, file, flag, file, and mark as read. And again, you can choose whatever actions that you want to do here. So my action here is I want to flag the message, and I'm going to perhaps not set, I can set a specific date if I want to do that, but in this case I'm going to select no date. I'm going to then add my action, so I want to perhaps move this to a folder, and I'm going to choose a folder and put that into my follow-up folder, and then I'm going to choose another action and say mark as unread, and I'm now going to click finish. So I've now created this quick step here that's going to do those particular tasks for me. So if I've now got this email here that I want to perhaps stick in my follow-up folder, and I want it to, I want to flag it, file it, mark it as unread, I can now click on this simple quick step that I've created, and it's going to do those actions for me. So now if I go into that follow-up folder, I can see that message that I've just done. It's flagged it, it's marked it as unread, and it's moved it to that folder. So now I can just do those three actions with one kind of quick step. So again, we can start to almost create like a little macro or things like that for doing these little tasks and processes.